Anytime now, gates open, they're up and racing. Lisa's Magic draws for your lead. Then comes Sharp Cookie Karma, moving up by the rail, followed by Janelle's episode on the outside. Then Bonjour second last, and Big Bone is running at the tail of the field. Heading towards the last 900, Lisa's Magic, a solo leader by about 3 lengths. Janelle's episode running in second. By the rail third is Karma. Racing in fourth, Sharp Cookie. Bonjour is on the outside. And Big Bone is still running at the tail of the field. As they round towards the last 600, Lisa's Magic. Getting closer is Janelle's episode. Karma, the favorite, remains in third. Running now in fourth is Bonjour. Sharp Cookie fading out, and Big Bone still in behind them as they come up towards the home turn with Lisa's Magic still leading the field. Bonjour moving up now to take second. Karma is by the rail third with the last 150 more to run. Lisa's Magic, Bonjour leveling a party outside and out, diving through the lead with 50 meters more to run. Race number 8 belongs to Bonjour. Second, Janelle's episode. Lisa's Magic, Karma, Big Bone, and Sharp Cookie is the last runner to come home.